Driving License DMV USA is the Department of Motor Vehicles state-level office in US which provides driving license under the Vehicles Administration. DMV authority administers the license issue for all the countries in the US. However, there can be a slight variation with the pattern for obtaining the license. DMV tests are not only easily cleared, thus applicants must check the questions to get an idea about what type of questions are asked in the test. The identity and application verification needs to be done first. Then the documents of residential proofs need to be submitted, followed by the payment of application fee. Then this written test and the road test will be taken before the license gets issued. Finally, what type of questions are asked in the test? Hi, we are Youth for Work and we are up with another video. In this video, we will tell you about DMV Test USA Entrance Examination.